In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily share WhatsApp group and profile links. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up WhatsApp app, and then if we want to share our group invitation link, we can just get into a group where we are an admin, and then tap at the very top add group's name. After that we can scroll down until we find invite to group via a link. We can tap on it, and then in order to copy that link we can hit at that icon next to copy link, and what that will do, that will copy this link to our clipboard, and then we can just paste it wherever we want to share that link. If you want to share your profile's link, unfortunately there is no way how you can do it from WhatsApp. However, let's say I want to share my WhatsApp profile link with somebody on Telegram, so I can open up Telegram app, then get into some conversation, and then I can type in wa.me, then /, and then you need to put in here your phone number, just like that. And once you've done that, just hit at send, and what that will do, that will send your WhatsApp profile link to that user. That's how it's done. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.